how to pin a post on a Facebook business page. I'm Georgianne from GSD Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Once you're on the Facebook business page, you have to make sure that you're on as an editor of the page. You'd usually see this menu at the left side of the page where it says Manage Page, and that'll let you know you are on the page as a manager. What you want to do is scroll down to the post that you want to have pinned. So for example, we're going to go ahead and pin this video. You'll hover over the post and then you're going to click the three dots in the right hand corner at the top right of the post. Once you hit the three dots, you'll see the option to pin post. You'll select pin post, give it a moment, and then scroll back up to the top of that page. And there you will see that it is a featured post on that page, and that means it's going to be a pinned post. This is how you pin a post to the top of a Facebook business page, and this could be used for announcements, key details, or just other things you want to feature at the top of the page. If you need additional operations or tech support, go ahead and schedule a consultation with one of our experts at gsdsolutionsinc.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, as well as comment any questions that you may have down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.